What a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful morning. I posted a video recently in the morning making about 10,000 rand. Look at this now. The trays that I left running, guys, they are making above 22,000 rands in profit just from those trays that I left in the morning. So I feel like, okay, let me just close few trays and then leave the rest that I can leave. Now guys, you must understand that in order for you to see great results with this robot, you have to trust this robot. You have to trust the process. Let's check the charts. Let's check the charts. What exactly did the robot see here? Of course, you can see there is a W formation. There is a W formation down below. That is what the robot saw. That is why it took those trays there. And then, of course, I added my own trays on top of the two trays that the robot took. And then I was in. Perfect, guys. I'm telling you, there is no better robot in Africa at this moment in time.